Good morning, everyone. I am Teacher Love, and today we will learn something fun. Are you ready? Great! But before that, let me remind you of our class rules. May I request all of the girls to read the first rule? Good job, girls! Now, I want all of the boys to read the second rule. Great job, boys! I hope you will always remember and apply our class rules. Now, for our word of the day. Our word for today is adventurous. Everybody say adventurous. Now, Ellie, can you tell me what do you see in the picture? Yes, great job, Ellie. The two kids who are wearing helmets and safety gears are climbing on the wooden obstacles outdoors, which shows that these kids are brave and adventurous. Adventurous is a person who is willing to take risks or to try out new methods, ideas, or experiences. Now, are you kids adventurous? Wow, very good. Teacher Love is also adventurous like you. Now, I want you to look at me. Is Teacher Love tall or short? Yes, Teacher Love is tall. Very good. Today, we will learn about adjectives. Can you say it with me? Adjectives. Let us clap our hands to say each syllable. Adjectives. This morning, we will identify simple adjectives and use these simple adjectives to describe objects. Do you like that? Great! Adjectives are describing words. They tell us how something looks. Adjectives add details about a person, place, animal, or thing. Now, I want you to look at this example. Look at this ball. Is the ball big or small? Yes, correct. It's a big ball. Now, let us have another example. Ben, what do you see in the picture? Yes, it's an apple. Is the apple red or blue? Correct. The apple is red. It's a red apple. Now here is another picture. Yes, Mikey, it's a cat. Do you have cats at home? Very good. Now, is the cat happy or sad? Correct. The cat is happy. Now, the words big, red, and happy are adjectives. Now, let's play a game. I will say an adjective and you will show it to me. The first to show will get a red star, which means you will get 10 points. Are you ready? Great! Now, let's start. Show me something big. Very good, Abby. You got it. Here's a red star for you. Next, show me something small. Wow, Cassandra, that was awesome. A red star for you. Lastly, show me a happy face. Very good, students. Everyone has shown a happy face. All of you will receive a red star. Excellent. Very good job. Now, try to answer this quick practice. Please get your pencil. Try to complete the sentences by filling in the correct adjective on the blank. Choose from the adjectives in parentheses. Great job, everyone! All of you got a perfect score. Wow! Today, we learn about adjectives. Adjectives are words that describe, like big, happy, and red. You did a great job today. Give yourselves a big clap. Thank you. See you next time. Goodbye.